Sezane unboxing is always a very exciting video. I brought my box here today to show you some of the pieces that I got. And actually this month in December, they are slipping some surprises in your packages. So if you order something, you won't necessarily get this one, but they are slipping in some really nice gifts like tote bags, makeup pouches, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got and do a nice review so you have no questions about these. I'm gonna cover everything you need to know. And I wanted to show you real quick these that I got from PDPAOLA. I have been working with PDPAOLA for a while now, and I'm not just a partner but also a customer. I love their pieces. I think they're affordable, they're very high quality. I had shown you guys before the icon collection and also the letter necklace, and this time I got a few to give as a gift. So I got the letter L because I wanted to give it to my mom, and I might actually swap things and get the L for myself and just give her the M for Mila. This way we'll wear each other's letters. I think this is more exciting actually. And there's also the icon collection. You guys have to see. I had reviewed this before, but I need to show you again because it's just so pretty. I love the fact that you can customize this. You can simply add these to your own chain, or you can get one of their chains that are simply perfect for these. There's one of them that's very thin, very dainty. I wanted to show you guys. This one I love because you can actually keep the charms in place. And I had shown you guys before, I got an apple and I got something saying I love you and friends. There's just so many beautiful charms that you can choose from. I really love these, and I got a few for my family and a couple of friends that I wanted to give a holiday gift. So I'm very excited to give these. I'm sure they're gonna be super happy. I'm adding my discount code in the screen and also in the description box below, so you can take advantage of that. I'm wearing some of the icon earrings. They're just so pretty, and this is the necklace. I think you guys had seen this already. If you watched my video, let me know. Have you ever gotten anything from PDPAOLA? How was your experience? I really love the brand, and I'm super happy to be working with them again. So let's get to our review. The first piece that I wanted to show you is this gorgeous cardigan that I'm wearing. This is the Evy cardigan, and one of the reasons I love this the most is because, well, there's so many reasons, but the fact it's cropped is just wonderful. If you're petite, this is your cardigan. Love how that fits. It's really flattering. I don't feel like the sleeves are overwhelming because sometimes when you have the puffy sleeves, it feels like too much. And one thing that I love too is that it's super comfortable. So this one does not feel itchy. I don't feel any itchiness in this one. I'm quite sensitive, I have to say, but I don't feel any scratchiness on this cardigan. I think it's wonderful. Love that's ecru. I think it's such a good color for pretty much any skin tone, and I just love it. I'm wearing this one in my usual size, which is small, and I think it fits perfectly. That's definitely a more feminine style. I love the buttons, all the details like the lace here, the cuffs. I think it's such a beautiful cardigan. The composition is 33% kid mohair, 33% wool, 28% polyamide, and 6% elastane. So it feels really comfortable, and I am extremely happy with this one. Definitely a keeper. Now, another cardigan that you guys kept asking me if I would order, and I did, of course, is this one. My gosh, how gorgeous is that? I don't really have anything with pearls on. I love pearls. Like, not everywhere, not in every way, but this one, because it's kind of sparse, it doesn't feel like too overwhelming. I think it's gorgeous, and I love that they use the pearls in the same shade of the sweater. This is very similar to Angeli. I don't know if you have seen Angeli sweater. I reviewed that before. It's the exact same color, the exact same fabric. Feels really comfortable. I tried this one and it didn't scratch me. So I think if you are on the sensitive side, you might still feel a little bit, but if you can tolerate most wool, I would say this one is definitely a great piece. I'm wearing that in size small, which is my usual size. I have all my measurements down below as well as the links for these pieces, and I couldn't be happier with this one. At the same situation of that, the sleeves are not overwhelming. I feel like it's the perfect amount. Doesn't feel too puffy. And I think it's just a gorgeous sweater. The composition is just like the other one. 33% kid mohair, 33% wool, 28% polyamide, and 6% elastane. So this one is gorgeous. I don't think it's the best color on me, but I am going to keep this one, and I might sell my Angeli because I don't need both of them, do I? Now let's jump to shoes. I don't have a lot of shoes from Sezane, I confess. I got finally the Albane Loafers, and they are incredible. I tried these in size 40 in the store, and it was so big, and the 38 was really tight, so I went with the 39. I am in between 8.5 and 9 US, which means about 39.5 European size, but since Sezane doesn't have half sizes, I had to go with the 39, and it fits perfectly. These are so comfortable. I love the sole. It has a lug sole, but it doesn't feel too thick, too chunky. It's the perfect amount, because some of these sometimes they just feel like way too much or just too little, like the Albane Loafers, which I'm not a huge fan. These give you the perfect amount of heel in my opinion, and I love how it is inside. It does have some cushion here, and the back is really nice structured, but like still buttery soft. It doesn't really rub your foot. So I love this, and I'm super excited to wear. They have that in black as well, and I'm about to receive also a pair from Quince, and I'm gonna do a comparison in the next video, but I wanted to show you real quick this white pair from Quince. It's a very similar style, and I paid $89, so I'm gonna tell you all about it next time, but I just wanted to show you in case you are wondering. These are fantastic, would highly recommend. They have in black and burgundy, really amazing. Now another pair of shoes that I saw in the store and I ended up not getting, but I kept thinking about it. It's this beautiful pair of heels, Alessia, I don't know how we're gonna say this name. Oh, how beautiful are these? Look at them. The heel is huge, I know, but they're actually quite comfortable. I don't normally wear heels, but I do love to have a couple of good heels for when you need, you know what I mean? So these, because they feel comfortable and they have this platform like here at the bottom, and it's also a chunky block heel. It doesn't feel very heavy, it doesn't feel uncomfortable to wear. So I love these. I had tried when I went to the store and I just kept thinking about it. So I'm really glad that I went back and I got these because they are just fantastic. Wearing size 40 or 9, again, they don't have half sizes. I would be an 8.5 or 39.5 European, and I went with the 40. It's wonderful. And for the last pair of shoes that I wanted to review, I have here the Axelle Boots. I got this in the color ecru. Feels like a creamy white. That's beautiful. They have this in 4 colors now, but I decided to go with this one because I do wear a lot of ecru pieces, and I always feel like it would be nice to have something in this shade to go with most of my wardrobe. I do feel like this would be super versatile for me. I personally don't wear this kind of boot with shorts or mini skirts. I don't think it looks flattering, but with pants, it's going to be perfect. I already tried that with so many different bottoms just to test it out, because that's one thing I do. I like to test it out, and it was super versatile. Also size 40 or 9 US, and I think it's great. They're super comfortable. I love how it feels. It doesn't squish my toes, and the block heel is actually quite comfortable to wear. So I recommend this. It's in patent leather. I don't normally go with patent leather. I definitely prefer suede or smooth leather, but I thought these were just very special. It does have this here on the side, which allows you to walk with more comfort, especially if you have a thick ankle area like your calves. So they're really wonderful. I hope you guys liked this review. It was a short one, but I just wanted to share some of the pieces that I got. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.